Hello everyone. Today we're gonna solve the group anagrams problem. This is a very popular problem in coding interview. I encountered this problem one time during my coding interview journey. So for to summarize, this problem gives us an array of string, and we need to group the anagrams together, and we can return the answer in any order. So for example, if we have this one, we have this string, we gonna have this group. We're gonna have three group of it, that, that, and it, and t together. So how can we do this problem? This problem is quite easy if you know about hash map, hash table. So first of all, we're gonna sort each of the string, and after sorting it, it's gonna have like a sorted anagrams formulate. For example, if we have this one, right, we're gonna sort it like alphabetical A and T. And for example, if we have it, we're gonna sort this string by A T, right? So very easy. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna map the shorted version and the original version together. So for key value, we're gonna have shorted mapping with the original string. And then we're gonna push all of the original string into our shorted key. Very simple, right? So for the key, we're gonna have a string, and for the value, we're gonna have a vector of string, which means that we're gonna push. For example, if we have it like this, we're gonna have um, a map between it and uh, it, and we have it, and we have t together. Very simple, right? Because we already sorted the string, so all of these anagrams will have the same version of these anagrams, the sorted anagram. So that's basically the idea. So how can we do that? First of all, we will sort all of them, and the second one we use an order map to store this key value, which key is the shorted string and the vector of original string. So to store the shorted string and the vector original string, let's say it's called a mapping for shorted string, and then we look through all of the pair, and we see out all of them and return it to the final result. That's basically the idea. So first of all, we have an order map of a string and a vector of string mapping for it. And then we're gonna look through all of the string in our string array. Then we have a temporary string, and we will sort this temporary string alphabetically. And then we're gonna put mapping for it, push back the original string. Yes. And then we're gonna access to the temp to push it back. Very easy, right? And finally, we're gonna have a vector of result to store all of the shared key value like this. So we're gonna have a vector so dot, and then we're gonna have a for loop for pointer through all of the mapping shortage, and we will get the key in value. So we're gonna push to the final result. We just need this list, and we don't actually need the key, so we just need the values of our mapping. So we just need get the second, right? That's all for code. And the time complexity for this one gonna be a number of string, right? Let's say n is the number of string, fn, if n equal to the number of string, and we multiply with uh, the the short operation. The short operation gonna be o len of s multiply with log n of s. So we're gonna multiply those two together, right? Good. And that's basically the time complexity. And for the space complexity, it's gonna be the number of string, right? So it's gonna, and the topic for this one is sorting, cost, and hashmap, hash table. I think that's all for this question. Let's see how it goes. Think so. Hope it helps you guys. And if you guys enjoy my video, please leave a like and share, so that and subscribe for my channel, so that all the people can see this problem and solve this problem. Thank you.